Meaning of drill.
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 Drill. Drill has multiple meanings depending on the context. When referring to a tool, it typically means a rotating cutting tool used to create cylindrical holes in materials such as metal, wood, or plastic. As a verb, it can mean to make a hole with a drill or repeatedly practice and exercise a skill or task. In military contexts, drill refers to training exercises performed by soldiers. The result of using a drill as a tool is the creation of a precisely measured cylindrical hole in a material.